In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to password protect a presentation in PowerPoint in just 5 minutes. Whether you're concerned about security or simply want to maintain the confidentiality of your hard work, password protection is an incredibly useful feature. We'll take it step by step, and by the end, you'll have peace of mind knowing your presentation is securely locked away. First, start by heading over to your Windows icon located at the bottom left side of the screen. Click on it to open your system applications and launch Microsoft PowerPoint. If PowerPoint isn't pinned to your Start menu, you can also find it by typing PowerPoint in the search bar, which quickly retrieves the application for you. Once PowerPoint is up and running, you'll need to open an existing presentation you wish to protect or create a new one if that suits your needs. Go ahead and add in all your necessary content like photos, tables, or any other visuals. Essentially, ensure that your presentation is in the form you want it to be before putting the lock on it, because protecting it with a password at this stage limits further editing unless you know the password. With your presentation ready, look to the upper ribbon of your screen and click on the File option located in the top left corner. This will direct you to a new screen where a variety of options await. On the left menu of this screen, click on Info. This area provides a hub for managing document-related tasks, like inspecting your presentation, compressing it for size efficiency, and the star of today's task, protecting it. Next, find the Protect Presentation button, typically located towards the right of your screen. Click on this, and you'll see a drop-down menu. From the available options, select Encrypt with Password. At this point, a dialog box aptly named Password will appear on your screen. Here, you'll need to type the password you intend to use for protecting your presentation. Be sure to choose something that you can easily remember but isn't too obvious to potential unauthorized users. Once you've carefully typed your password, click OK. To ensure accuracy, another dialog box will pop up, prompting you to re-enter your password. This step is important to confirm that you haven't made a typing error. Go ahead, type the same password again, and click OK to finalize your choice. With your password confirmed, don't forget to save your presentation. This crucial step ensures that the password protection is applied. When you save the file, try closing and reopening it to check the effectiveness of the password security. You should now be prompted to enter a password when opening the file. And that's it. With these quick and simple steps, your PowerPoint presentation is now password protected. Enjoy the added level of security for your important work, and thanks for watching.